Okay, we are going to go over setting up a VPN connection and then the remote desktop connection that you'll need for your workstation. So, so this is a Windows 10 system, and what you want to do is you want to come down to this little system tray area here, right mouse click on your little, that's your connection, your internet connection, network connection. So we're going to go to Open Network and Sharing. And what we're going to do is when we come over here, we're going to come over to this set up a new connection or network, and it's broadband, dial-up, or VPN. So we are going to connect to the internet. This guy here, connect to the workplace, set up for that VPN connection is what we want, okay? So we're going to use your existing internet connection. The internet address, all you need to do is put in remotely.incontrolproductions.com. And this is Rackspace VPN. This is the name that you're going to see it on what it's going to look like on the desktop. Like my desktop, I call it Rack 'em Up VPN. So I'm going to create that, and it's created a connection here for me. And so I like to put my connections on the desktop. So you can come back over here, change adapter settings. And you see, this is the one that I just created, Rackspace VPN. So I can say create a shortcut. It'll tell me that the shortcut has to be placed on the desktop. I say OK, and there's my shortcut. Okay, it's just easier to access it from a shortcut. So I'm going to come over here, double click it. When I open this up, it's going to say connect, and it's going to ask me for my username. You're going to want to put in the domain first in control. Barbara D, in your case it's Carmel G, and your password, aim for stars. Okay. Of course, I don't know that I can have 2 VPN connections going. Let's do this. Actually, so what we're going to do here is come back over here. Rackspace properties, because this is what you want to make sure. Nope, sorry. Back down to network neighborhood, open the neighborhood. Let me come over here and disconnect. All right, so adapter settings. This is the shortcut that I just created, so I'm going to just go ahead and remove that. And what we're concerned with is we just want to take a look at what the properties on this one are. So this is what it has to be set to: remotely.incontrolproductions, options, never, your PPP settings should be that, security, set them to this. All that stuff just stays the same. Networking, you don't have to change anything there. Sharon, you don't have to change anything there, okay? Usually the first time you log in with your domain, your username, and then your password, you should be prompted to see if you want to save that stuff, and you can. So that's for creating the VPN. And just a quick run through, we went down to network neighborhood. Network neighborhood, let's come back, which brings us to this page here. Set up a new connection, VPN, next. And we're going to create a new connection, next, internet, remotely, yada, yada. That's what it's going to be named on your desktop. Okay, so that should walk you through that. So now the next thing is, and I need to get a VPN connection for this guy. I'm going to go ahead and connect them. All right. With your username, you can use that checkbox, I don't. On the display, you want it to be full screen, local resources. You want to make sure that printers are turned off, okay? And that's really all you have to, you can make sure that these are detect quality automatically, and there shouldn't be anything there that you need to change, okay? So computer, connect, and I'm not going to connect because I'll bump you off, I'm sure. All right, that should get you going, my dear.